Whenever we make espresso, right, we do 1 to 2 ratio, 1 to 3 ratio, right? 1 to 2 or 1 to 3, which means we got, let's say, 20-gram dose, right? So 20 grams of coffee going into portafilter. Then we are going to extract 40 grams of liquid coming out, right? The 40 grams of extraction. Okay, 40 grams of extraction. So that's espresso. Comes to pour over. I mean, this is all messed up in a way, right? So we are going to add, let's say, 15-gram dose, 15 to 15 ratio, 1 to 15, which means 1 grams of coffee, we are going to add 15 grams of water, right? So 15-gram dose, we are going to add about 225 grams of coffee there, 225. You are going to add water here. So we don't talk about what's coming out. We only talk about the water going in, right? So extraction-wise, it's not going to be who knows what, right? So, I mean, that's somewhat disconnect there, right? There's a disconnect between making espresso versus making pour over. Okay, so here's what we're gonna do this evening. I'm going to make a standard coffee here, and then so this one here, another section here. So this one I'm gonna be, I'm just gonna pick the number. Okay, 1 to, this one I'm gonna do 1 to 10 ratio. Okay, 1 to 10 means I'm gonna be using 14 grams of coffee. So this one, I can actually capture 140 grams of liquid coming out. I can measure that with this particular scale. Yeah. So that's for sure. So I'm going to be using 1 to 10 ratio. This one, I'm going to be doing 1 to 15. So this is more like traditional way to make coffee. This one, this setup right here, this scale here, is more like modify a brew session, right? So this is the modified brewing method. So let's see which one, I don't know, let's find out how different cup quality is going to be. So this one I'm going to tweak a little bit too. So this one should be a lot of fun to brew with. And this one, just a traditional 1 to 15, 1 to 16 ratio. Yeah. And let's brew some coffee. It's going to capture all the delicious flavor. Okay, so 14 gram going in. I'm going to add about 225 grams of, 225. So 14 gram, 225. I'm going to add a 225 there. Comes to blooming, let's do, so this coffee's been wet roasted. So this is the lavanda, okay, wet rust coffee. Great tasting notes, pear, and toffee and golden raisin is a tasting notes. I'm going to start with maybe like 30 grams of, maybe like 40 grams. Okay, just nice and easy. I'm using the V60 right now. All right, yeah, it's going to be a perfect brew. Yeah, it's about 2.5 minutes. Fantastic. That's a great question. Okay. Here we go. Cheers. So this is the 1 to 16 ratio. Okay, just traditional V60 recipe. It's nice. Okay, very nice. Wow. Okay. All right. Good coffee. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going to be brewing 1 to 10 using, this is a timer scale. So what this scale does, I can keep track of how much water going in and also how much the extraction. So this is what I want. Okay, so this is what I want. And then we are going to make some interesting brew. We're going to start with 14 gram again. So this one I'm going to go 14, 1 to 10 ratio. Okay. 1 to 10, that's the so 14 gram, and then I'm going to extract 140 grams of coffee. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. I'm going to pre-wash my coffee. So what is a pre-wash? So I'm going to get rid of about 10 grams of coffee first. I got 14 gram here. And then whenever you pre-wash, obviously it's going to be observed to the coffee ground first. So I'm going to add about maybe 20 grams of water going inside. Okay. And I'm going to discard that. And that water, the initial 10 gram is very bitter and really strong. I don't want that one. Okay. I do not want that amount. So I'm just going to go. I'm going to add about 10 grams of coffee. Okay. 10 grams, not the 10 grams of coffee. I'm going to add about 20 grams of water. Okay. Since I can see, so far I have a 4.2 gram come out. Okay. So this is good. So now I have about 11 grams of the liquid came out. I don't want that one. Okay. I do not want that liquid. So now I'm going to brew regularly. So I want 140 grams right in there. Okay, let's start my time here. Hopefully we have enough water. Okay. $135, 140 grams. Done. About a minute and 40 seconds. Okay, about a minute and 40 seconds there. So this is it. So this is a 1 to 10 ratio with pre-wash. Okay, this is the earlier we discard about 10 grams of coffee. So this is the bitter part of the pour-over. Yeah. Wow, it's terrible. Let me try the earlier coffee first. So this is a 1 to 16 ratio, more like traditional way. Okay. So this is my 1 to 10 ratio. I know it can be a little confusing, but it's not too bad. Wow. Man, I wish you guys are here, some of you. This coffee is same coffee, right? Same coffee, same grind size, same everything, just a different brewing method. Just what a difference. So much brighter, more juicier, sweeter. Man, I mean, definitely the pre-washing definitely helped as well. Man, so here's the problem with this method. I don't want to say it's a problem, but you have to have a proper setup for brewing this way, right? Traditional way, 1 to 15, the ratio is so much easier. You just put the water in it and you're done. But the way I just did it, I just pre-washed, about 10 grams of, I discarded. And I just put, I don't care about how much water going in. I just want, only thing I care about is how much output. So more like 1 to 10 ratio. 14 grams, so 140 grams of extraction. It tastes so much better. Brighter, I mean, a lot more dynamic in a way.